All right, guys. Easter Sunday, Birmingham, Alabama. Somebody calls in a rolling domestic, which would be, hey, the car next to me, there's like a man and woman fighting, so I'm going to call the cops. Which those are kind of hard to find sometimes because the complainant can't always follow the car, and you might. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's see what happens.
First Street West. Hold on, get back in. He jumped down. He keep going. He coming toward you. He wrecked out.
He wrecked out. Oh. Measured.
Don't move. Hey, y'all, back up. Hey, come back. Back up. We're going to be in the 200 block of 9th Avenue West. We got one down. First Street West. Hold on, get back in. He jumped down. He keep going. He coming toward you. He wrecked out.
Hey, boy.
Oh, hey.
He said, hey. This is the best play-by-play ever. Damn it, boy.
Shots fired. 1033, we got one down. Hey, let me see your fucking hand.
Told him.
Let me see your hands. Don't move. Hey, y'all, back up. We right here. Stop right there. Back up. We're going to be in the 200 block of 9th Avenue West. We got one down. Black male, white t-shirt, blue jeans.
Man, look. Solid all the way around. Both of them out of the car, on the gun. They were taking rounds, or took a round anyway. They managed to get their shit together, getting out of the car, draw, and put rounds on target. And if you listen, let me back up here. You hear how measured that was? That wasn't the mag dump panic that you hear sometimes. That was. So those shots, in between each shot, he's allowing that. It sounds like he's allowing that front sight post to go back to natural point of aim. Listen, I'm not a firearms expert, but all I'm saying is he's not ripping shots off to be ripping shots off. This was measured, and he was trying to put rounds on target, especially given that he's shooting towards a house.
Shots fired. 1033, we got one down. Hey, let me see your fucking hand. Let me see your hands. Don't move. Hey, y'all, back up. We right here. Stop right there. Back up. We're going to be in the 200 block of 9th Avenue West. We got one down. Black male, white t-shirt, blue jeans. Blue t-shirt. White t-shirt, blue jeans, blue hat.
Well, he ain't going anywhere.
He's still moving. Hey, do not move. Stop moving. Hey, stay right there.
All right, did you hear that? He said watch for crossfire. So he's aware that this other unit's up here in his field of fire. This is all good situational awareness.
Slow down, please. Get that carefully.
Hey, Sarge. Hey, tell her to clear the radio. Clear the radio, Sarge. Clear the radio. Hey, let her see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Be advised, he fired one round at us as he was getting out the vehicle. Hey, let me see your hands. Don't you reach. Don't reach. Hey, get out of the way. Hey, get out of the line of call. Get out of the way.
Good. Man, these guys are directing traffic. They're making sure the radio's clear for their traffic, and they're all in all paying attention to what the hell's going on around them. This is pretty solid work right here.
On the ground.
Okay, I'll be 24.
Stand by. He's still armed. He's still moving. Are you shot?
No, I just don't want
Okay. And he's still moving. Hey, let us see your hands. Do not reach for that gun. Do not reach. Hey, tell that unit right there, stand by. He right there. Hey, don't you reach. Do not reach. Hey, who's that unit right in the front of the complex?
3 cops just went.
Hey, don't move. Hey, did he throw the gun? Hey, we 24. We can't see the gun though. He's still moving. Hey.
Hey, stay close.
Hey, he hit. He hit. We hit him. He hit. Hey, he right here. He right here. Right here. See what? Can you see what you see?
The gun might be on him. Well, I put it to the unit back there. I need an out to the center perimeter. I need an out to the side list. You ready something?
Hey, Sarge, if that's it, stay off the fucking radio till these guys. Let these guys handle their business. You can worry about the other shit in a second.
You go ahead and roll the middle. We're going to try to secure him. He's down. He's been hit. Hey, come here. Give me one more unit around here with me.
I've got shot fired. We're like top of the fence area.
That's 10-4.
Where's the gun at?
We don't know. He fired a shot at us when he got out the car.
Somebody cover me and I'll go in.
All right, come on.
Go ahead.
I got you. Yeah, the gun right there. The gun right there. Hey, I'm a cover.
Hey, make sure somebody watching behind you.
Well, we got a female back there.
Okay. Tell them start the medic.
Tell them go ahead. Hey, it's 24. You can go ahead and roll the medic.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Appreciate it.
Hey, no lie. All the way around, pretty solid work, right? I mean, they handled this. Now, the one thing I didn't think of until just now, the end, they ran past his car, the female in the car, the victim in the car. So that's always kind of a weird feeling when you run past a car and turn around and realize that it's occupied, especially in a situation like this, because you know, you may have just shot her husband, boyfriend, whatever, and now she's mad. Yeah, she's been getting her ass beat for the last 5 miles, but now she's mad because you just shot her spouse or significant other. So that's kind of a weird feeling. But listen, all the credit in the world. Listen.
Shot fired!
8 shots, and those were all pretty measured shots. Again, it wasn't spray and pray. He was very deliberate in what he was doing, and it sounded to me like he was allowing a good trigger reset, letting that front sight fall back to a natural point of aim, and putting the work in.
1033, one down! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Hey, y'all, back up. You right here.
Hey, come back.
Back up. We're going to be in the 200 block at 9th Avenue West. We got one.
Hey, again, one final thought, I guess. Supervisors, be judicious in your use of the radio in this kind of situation. It's important, of course, that you provide direction and leadership, but don't do it at the expense of hearing yourself talk over the people that are on scene. These guys are the ones that need to be directing traffic right now. These guys are the ones that needs to be telling where the units should come and go, and where they need people, and how they need people. So if you're a supervisor and you get on the radio right now and just talking to hear yourself talk because you want to feel important, that's no bueno. Keep it to a minimum, measure it, and then realize when it's time to jump in. So that's that. Listen, solid job. Good work. My understanding is that the suspect did pass away at the hospital, but clearly a justified shooting, what with him shooting at them and then running with a weapon still in his possession. They got that covered all day. If you guys saw anything I missed, drop it in the comment section down below, and please, please subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. You guys be good. If you can't be good at it. We'll see you next time. Be safe.